Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And now it is the Azure Terraform part 2. So now we have to set up the Terraform in the Windows 10 machine. If you see, if I go to the terminal in the Azure the Visual Studio Code, if you try to type the Terraform, okay, it will give the error because the Terraform is not installed in my VM, right? So similarly, if I try to run AG like AGCLI, it is also not there. So first of all, we have to set up the Terraform. Then in the next video, then I will let you know how to set up the AGCLI in the Windows 10 machine. Okay. So let me download the Terraform exe file here. So the second step, like we have to download the Terraform exe file, then we have to set up in the environment variable in order to set up the Terraform for my Visual Studio Code, okay, in the Windows 10 machine. So let me download the exe file for the Terraform. So this session is specifically like how to set up the Terraform in the Windows 10 machine. Let me download the latest Terraform exe file, and we have to download the binary downloaded file for the 64-bit for the Windows 10. Okay, for the Window machine, let me download it here. It is downloading in the zip file. So once get downloaded the zip file, then we have to extract it. Then we have to put this software in a specific location. Generally it is the exe file, but it won't run because we have to just set up the environment variable in the window machine, okay, in order to execute that exe file. Okay, so I have extracted it. So just let me rename this directory to as a terraform, and also let me copy to the different directory because it is downloaded directory. Maybe by mistake it can be removed by me or okay. So let me copy it, and I have to copy into the different directory. Take an example, I can copy it into the in the document directory. Okay, just let me copy it, and let me go to the PC, then go to the document, let me paste here. Let me create one directory like the software. In the software directory I can copy that terraform exe file. Let me copy this path and go let me go to the environment variable settings. Let me go to the computer properties, and then we have to find out the environment settings. Let me try to type environment settings here. We have to edit the environment variable. Then we have to click on path, and we have to click on edit, and we can set up the path for the system variable as well as the user variable. Okay, so I did use for the user variable for the specific user, the current user. Similarly, if you want to do it for all the user, you can change in the your system variable, okay, so that it can be applicable, it can be affected, or you can say it can be set for all the user. Okay, so the terraform, the setup file has been, environment variable is already set up. Okay, still you can see if you try to run the terraform, it's not working because we have to restart, or you have to close the Visual Studio Code, then you have to reopen it, then you can see whether it is working or not. Okay, so I just restarted the Visual Studio Code. So just let me type, let me open the terminal, or you can say it's restore automatic, and let me type the terraform command whether it's coming or not. So it should come because we have already set up. Yeah, you can see the terraform command is working fine. Just let me check the terraform version. What is the version? It is 1.7.4, which is the latest one. Okay, I think it's little bit, it is very light to see this theme. So let me change this theme so we can able to see, okay, like whatever the output is coming while running the terraform version command. So you can easily check that. Let me go to the settings, and let me go to the themes, and let me change the color of the theme because it is very light. I think a lot of people cannot okay notice it. Yeah, so let me change the theme to not fully dark but a little bit darker. So you can see here, yeah, it's looking fine. So all the font is looking fine now. Okay, so terraform has been set up. So in the next session we have to set up the azure CLI. Okay, so thank you guys.